How to add HTML code to Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add HTML code to Wix website. So first of all, just open your Wix and sign up to your account and just open to custom design your website. And here on this page, when you're designing your website, you will see these icon at the left hand side of your screen. So in order to add HTML code, just click on this add element right here, the first one. And after that, in the given options, under the text, you can see these options. Click on embedded code, and here you will see under the popular embedded, you will see the option for HTML embed. So just click on that, and after that on this page, just select the area that you want to add the code to. Select the area, for example, that you want to add the code on this page completely. And after that, you will see HTML settings, and under the add your code, just add your HTML code. And this is how you will be able to add HTML code to Wix website. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.